Hello, we are going to make a one-pager in science for Thursday and Friday. So while I'm not here on Thursday and Friday, there will be a sub in my class, and then of course workshop for Mr. Cadets. Um, and there's an instruction sheet that you will have, and what you're going to do is you're going to take your poster board or your poster construction sheet, and you are going to make a frame like a window on it, such as the one on here. So you can see how this is on here. We have a border around. So you're going to take a ruler and you're going to make a border around. I would say maybe a 2-inch border so that it's 2 inches all the way around, and make this first. And then put two squares, so run it across and have possibly, I'm thinking possibly 2 inches, um, 2 inches for this middle border. Okay, so it's going to look something like this. All right, so we have this border along here, all the way around, and then you have a 2-inch space here, and then you have 4 squares on the paper. Okay, so it's going to look like this, and you will get these instructions. So do that. Now, with a blank sheet like this, that you have your squares all out, what you're going to do is you can start pretty much anywhere, but around the border, you are going to put pictures, designs, things about the unit that we have been studying, about cells, mitosis, meiosis, and so on, all the way around with little pictures. Okay, and then you're going to have, in these spaces, you're going to pick one uh, theme from the unit. So you could have a cell in one, you could have maybe a nucleus in one phase of mitosis, possibly. You could have Gregory Mendel in another one, the father of genetics. You could have a DNA strand in another. You decide what you're going to put in those, but they should all be a little bit different, about a little bit different of the theme. Okay, so the instructions are here, and it even gives you an example of possibly what kind of theme, how you pick that out of the unit, but it's about the cell unit. It's not about anything else we covered, just the cell unit. So anything we've covered up until right now. Okay, so again, I'm going to show you this picture of one that was done with Earth and space science. So here they have things about the rock cycle, convergent boundaries of earthquakes, things like that for earthquakes. Pangea, which is um, down in South America, and then we have a volcano. So this is about 4 different areas, right? So yours will look like maybe chromosomes, whatever you want, whatever you can think of that we covered in this uh, unit, but there should be 4 different ones. So, and then you put the name, right, in that box. You do a nice, neat job. This isn't something that you're going to hurry and get done. Okay? Don't hurry and get it done. Do a nice job. And around the border here, you have different pictures of anything that we covered. Okay? Anything we covered, you can double them up a little bit, but don't put a border of designs, just plain designs. Do it, use something that is from the unit itself. Okay, so that's one area. Then you have these, of course, these 4 squares, right? So you're going to do those 4. Okay, and then right in the center is where you have a section. And if you notice, here is something that the person learned about the unit. Okay, and you are going to do the same thing, and I would like it to be as nice and neat as this one. This is amazing. And then I want you to put one question that you still have about the unit that you are might be thinking about. Okay, so um, these different samples will be in the classroom when I'm gone for the sub to use so that you can come up and kind of see. But remember, you're not going to be drawing pictures of this. It's going to be ones of the cell unit that we've been talking about, and mitosis, meiosis, genetics, up until this point. Okay, so you're going to be working on this Thursday and Friday in my class and then in Mr. Katitz's class. So that is your assignment for Thursday and Friday. Okay, use color. You need to use color, and this tells you what you need to do, and it tells you make sure that it's nice and neat. It tells you what you need to do for the grade. Okay, but take your time. Be proud of it. Be proud of it. This person certainly was. Okay, here's another one. It's pretty awesome. So anyway, I hope you have 2 good days, and do well for the substitute and for Mr. Katitz, and we will see you on Monday. And those that are distance learners, you can do the same thing. I will post this to Google Classroom so you can see it and you can understand it. All right. And then once you're done, you take a picture of it. When the in-school people are done, take a picture of it and also post it in Google Classroom. That is your job. But take your time and do a nice job. Make sure you use color. See the best you can do, okay? No one's a perfect artist, but you can do a nice job. All right, that's it for now. Take care. Bye-bye.